How we doing, folks? Absolutely lovely to see you. We have a very exciting East Coast Kitchen weekend baking project coming at you. We are doing cheddar, chive, bacon, sweet potato, biscuits. Folks, let's bake. You folks know how much I love biscuits. I just love them. First things first, grab a big bowl and we'll add in all the dry ingredients. Check out the blog for the list of those ingredients. Next up, add in the wet ingredients and give that a mix. Do not overmix here, that is key. Next, on a floured surface, you're gonna wanna roll the dough out and fold it like an envelope. You're gonna do that 3 times. That's what gives the beautiful flaky layers that we're going for. Cut the biscuits out, chuck them in the oven at 425 for about 21 minutes, and boom, you are done. These are the bomb. Try them for sure. That's really good. Really, really good. Make that. Make it.